Have you ever scrolled through social media on your birthday and seen the massive parties, the piles of gifts, the endless celebrations, and then looked at your own quiet day and wondered, is something wrong with me? If you're someone who treats your birthday like any other day, you're not alone. And psychology suggests there's nothing wrong with you at all. In fact, your choice often reveals a surprising depth of character. Let's explore the psychology of people who don't celebrate their birthdays. Reason 1. The shield of self-protection. For some, a quiet birthday isn't a choice, but a shield. Past disappointments, forgotten birthdays, broken promises, lack of effort from others can lead to what psychologists call learned helplessness. The brain learns that expecting a celebration only leads to pain, so it stops expecting anything at all. This isn't them being grumpy. It's a psychological defense mechanism to avoid being hurt again. Reason 2, the flow of modern life. These are the people who are simply swept up in the current of their own lives. Between work, responsibilities, and daily tasks, the birthday arrives and it's just another Wednesday. Psychologists might call this time blindness, where a hyper-focused brain prioritizes immediate tasks over symbolic calendar dates. They haven't forgotten their birthday. They're just deeply engaged in living their life. Reason 3, the strength of internal validation. This is the most empowering reason. For many, a quiet birthday is a conscious choice rooted in emotional independence. This aligns with self-determination theory, which states that true well-being comes from within, from autonomy, mastery, and purpose. These individuals don't need a party to feel valued. Their sense of self-worth isn't tied to external validation like gifts or social media likes. They already know their worth, and no number of candles can make it burn brighter, so whether it's a shield, a symptom of a busy life, or a sign of quiet confidence, not making a fuss about your birthday is a valid and psychologically understandable choice. It's not about rejecting joy, but about redefining what joy means. For some, joy is a crowded party. For others, it's the peace of a normal day, enjoyed on their own terms. This is one of those topics we all experience differently, so I'm genuinely curious. Where do you stand? Let me know in the comments. Are you someone who loves a big celebration, or do you prefer a quiet day? And if you find yourself wanting to understand more of these hidden patterns in your personality and your mind, then you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button. We explore human psychology here, one sketch at a time. DrawnCents. Money, mindset, and systems made simple.